Good morning, everybody. It's funny, we had a essay workshop with 60 wonderful kids this morning. Thank you, Mike D'Amelio, Atlanta's college essay coach. I had a parent ask me, said, Stuart, why would a financial advisor hold an essay workshop? And here's the reason why. Because essays will help your students achieve their dreams, help them get into their dream college. And most of the time, you can repurpose those essays to save on college costs. So again, saving for college, great financial planning isn't just the basics. It's a lot of the outside the box tactics and techniques that helps a family save money. If you think of this, if I can give you $100 today, what's your return on investment? It's 100%. So again, helping you find free money, to me, is part of a financial advisor's job. It's just not asset allocation, making sure you're protected, helping you build a good college funding plan. It's helping you get as much free money as possible. That's why a financial advisor would hold an essay workshop. Have a great day.